Krista. Me and Krista are headed to.
And Stacy.
Oh yeah, Stacy. And we are gonna fill. I almost called it a tap card. What's this called? T-money. Yeah, it took us forever to find it though. But I haven't taken it out, so it should still be in here.
No, she had it.
Yeah, I had it.
Gave it to her. Oh. Poor Stacy.
Stacy, I'm trying, okay?
So what's happening?
I remember it was like right here or something. I remember Stacy, I put it backwards, and that's why we didn't notice it at first. Look, y'all, my umbrella broke. Only been outside for like 30 minutes. My umbrella broke. I lost my T-money card, and I had to throw away half of my banana milk. So what just happened is me and Krista were just like this, sitting, minding our own business on the subway, when all of a sudden Stacy was standing in front of us and she suddenly runs to the door and she peeks out and then she peeks back in and she stares at us and then she peeks out and then she just hops off the train. And me and Krista ain't never dead sprinted that quick. I could have.
You have dead sprinted.
Stacy, I could have forgot my phone. But yeah, so that was super scary. Stacy didn't even like truly explain why she did it. She just said she had a feeling. Kenta signed it. I love you. My Japanese angel.
See, look, she's taking a picture in front of it too.
Mom, same.
Mom. Oh my god, I take one in front of him. Oh my god. Can we take one in front of Coco Pop?
Shimmy, shimmy, Coco Pop. I think I like it. Just down, marble. Aww. You should leave a sticky note. Oh, you didn't bring one. What are you doing? Wow. Stacy. Wow, these are just all over the place.
I did not expect. I swear.
I thought there'd only be like a couple. Jungkook. Oh my god.
I love Korea.
Oh my god.
I love Korea.
Oh my
we only
god.
ever dream of these things, you know what I mean? And look, there he is.
Whoa. This is wild.
I know, I can't believe I just saw Anna Wana 1, Anna Jin Young, Anna Chen, Anna Taehyung. There's so many people. There's something for Stacy. Now I just have to do the picture. Keep it for her. Babies. Yeah, no. Oh my.
You should try for it.
Yeah, you want to? Can I video? I'm guessing it is. They just told me.
That's cool. Oh, cherry bomb. NCT Dream signed that.
Not James.
Rookie. Now, Stacy, do the dance. You ready? Go. Rookie, rookie. Stacy, you gotta turn around. Okay, you ready? And go. Rookie, rookie. Stacy. Machi, machi. 내가 오늘 있었던 있었던. Bro, look, it's a Music Bank Award.
It's Taeyong's Music Bank. This is their first win.
Look, champ, show champion.
Oh my god, these are their first wins.
Oh my god. Like Red Velvet.
This is crazy. Wait, this is the first win. Oh wait, no, this is their like fifth or sixth win. Their first win was on Valentine's Day.
Wow, these are cool. Are they actual records or is this just like a thing?
They're on the record.
Right? Okay, is this really height to size ratio? Tell me why I don't feel like he's this tall.
He's not.
He can't be this tall.
I know his height. He's not that tall.
He can't be this tall. Oh look, NCT.
I know. What is that? What is that?
Okay, you guys, I bought a ton of albums from the Coex store. He looks so good. Show her. He looks so good. Look, he put everybody down, baby. Krista bought an EXO bottle with apple juice in it, and I bought Red Velvet's Red Summer Slush. And look, you guys, Victoria signed here. Henry signed on her seat. I also got Cocoa Pop. More Cocoa Pop. I love these. That's the O. Whoa. Oh, wow.
Damn it! She purposely heard me say that thing about Kai, and she ended up giving you all Kai. I'm so mad.
Ooh.
Okay, but give me a K and I'll give you a Kai.
And then NCT Dream's new album. Okay, let's open. I'm not gonna do like full unboxings, but
Kai is the whole deal. Kai, oh, that's too hot. Kai.
oh, this album's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. Chenlo. Hey, Chan.
Yeah.
Please get Chenlo. Please get Chenlo. Please, God, please. Please get Chenlo. Please get Chenlo. Please get Chenlo. Chenlo.
No. Smart.
Oh, you want to try?
No. Look at everything else I got. Woo. Yeah. Thank you, Stacy. Oh, you got a smudge on my camera. Stacy. I'm now filming on my phone, you guys, because my camera died. So sorry for the change in quality. Stacy still looks just as pretty though. Can you stop hugging every chongle you see? Oh, baby. Look at Kai's hands. Ah. Damien signed right here. Oh, NCT Dream signed. This one really interesting. NCT Dream signed. I'm gonna do hand matching. A little bit too surprised. So I was like, I was very visible. And plus, I happened to be my first name.
I don't know. I don't really talk to her. Because we live in separate buildings.
Yeah. You don't usually express your opinion, but when it comes to beliefs, you have an honest. Da 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 da. Find out, yeah. Okay, whatever. Find out, I do my. I matched best with your boyfriend. 90%. 90%.
No.
90%.
No, you don't deserve
With
it.
your
You don't deserve it.
That's who they matched her
Let me
with.
choose. Oh, let me choose.
Oh my god!
Companion sharing berry.
When are you getting married?
And the tie becomes stronger with faith and love.
Damn! My turn.
What is it? Is this a damn sticker? These are yeah.
What is? Whoa, look how expensive they are. Okay, but they're so cute.
Look at this candle. It's literally a cherry bomb. How they got creative.
I love all this cherry bomb stuff they got.